Hello, and welcome to my video. Today I'm talking about dirt bike plans to get one because I'm 13 and cannot yet get a job. Next year I will be able to. In the state of Oklahoma, I'm able to get a job at 14. So, it's just going to be like a restaurant job, sadly. Anyways, I'm going to be storing it in this box right here. I have my pocket knives, which I was going to do a knife video, so I might as well show you. We got a Victor one that my dad got me. What's his work knife? So, yeah. Got an Ozark Trail one. It was like $3. Swiss Army knife. This one that my dad also got me. It's real. I need to like grease it, like put WD-40 on it. And a Gerber. That was, who knows what price, probably also pretty cheap. Anyways, I'm gonna put my money in here. There's a top thing with absolutely nothing in it. Sadly. I have these. Let's get this out of it. I have these post-it notes that I'm going to be writing the money that I have, which all my money is. I have a $50 check for mowing, and I'm gonna cash that out like tomorrow, hopefully. And I have $20 in a bank account. So I have a lot more in like a 18. Whenever I turn 18, I get like a lot of money, but yeah, probably won't spend that on dirt bikes. Probably like college or something useful, you know. Useful. Dirt bikes are useful. Yeah. So this is my big book of things that I definitely have not used before. Definitely. This is my keychain. It's just got a tiny little pocket knife on there without a pocket clip. It's got my bike combination, which don't really ride it anymore. Oh, shoot. My bike chain combination, as I should say. It's, yeah, none of you guys' business. And it's got a key to my thing, which I hide it in this little envelope right here. Just because, you know, it's got a key to all my money. And, yeah. Which I'm currently saving up. I'm going to get about like $1,000 before I go out and try to purchase a dirt bike. Yep, here's the lock on it. I have a hidden key in the house, which I'm not showing anymore. This one I'm going to carry with me and just hide on my desk somewhere. Like, probably, I don't know where I could hide it. So many places where I could hide it, but I honestly don't know. This I just have on my desk. But yeah, so I'm gonna be writing. I have currently $70. So we're just gonna put $70. Yep, there we go. $70. I think that's backwards again. That's how the camera is. It's backwards like that. Yeah, oh my gosh, that light is so annoying. Hold up. Ow! That's hot. Is it still annoying? Yep, it's still annoying. How about if we do that? Nope, that's even more annoying. How about if we do that? Nope, that's still annoying. How about we face it completely down? Or like cover it. Still annoying. Here. I'll try to cover it with my head. There you go. Nope, now you can't see my face. I need to get like a lamp. Not a lamp. Frick, that wouldn't help at all. I need to get a light like right here. Yeah, so basically that's what I'm planning for. I know you can't see me. My bad for that lighting. Here, what if I did this? Oh, crap, I keep doing that. Here, what if I had like a low view? I'm sorry, I'm just like cheap. Nope, I'm not doing my bad. Donald Trump. My bad. Yeah. I just blew up your, you know what, throw it. I don't even care. I know, I understand now. This is... No, because that's going to reveal my... There you go. Yes, I have bunk beds. Don't hate. Anyways. Why did I hold that up? I don't even know what that is. Dude, that's not helping. I gotta be facing the light. I'm sorry. My bad. There we go. Look at that. Oh, shoot. There we go. Look at that. That's not helpful at all. Said no one ever was that helpful. Anyways, we're just you guys are just gonna have to work with me. Here, I'll get some lights behind here pretty soon, but for now, I need tape. Where's my tape? I know I have tape on this. Stupid. I don't have tape on these guys. It's somewhere here, I know that. This day. It's so horrible. Anyways. Tape. It used to be like real good of an accomplishment to get $70 freaking dollars. No, it's not, because I'm saving up 1,000. So 70 is like crap to 1,000. Man, I feel so sad. But yeah, $70. I'll find a way to tape this. Maybe I won't tape it. Maybe I'll just like have it inside of it. Yeah, like in this first little compartment. I'll keep it like folded so I know where I was. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Boys. I'll keep it in there till I can find my tape. See that? Bam. So it's in my free look compartment. Is all the price ranges that it took to get there. Anyways, I'm just gonna write down like a little chart of what I have first. Oh my gosh, dude, my handwriting, man. I need an eraser. $70. And now, equals crap. Alright, anyways. Second A. And there's gonna be whatever it is, see? You guys can't see it, obviously. Oh, I know what I can do. I know what I can do. Hold on. I got this lighting fixed. Watch this. It's not gonna be that good, but it's the closest thing I got. So, you gotta work with me right now. Because I do have a lamp, but, you know, currently don't. Yes! There we go. Oh, and there it goes. Okay, there it is. Now, perfect. And it's just a TV. It's not, because the TV I used to watch TV is a Roku TV. This is just my gaming TV. So, it's just a small TV. Anyways. So, yeah. It says, oh my gosh, that is horrible. Alright. First A. I don't know what A stands for. I just put it there. $70. You guys can't see it because it's backwards. Or it might not be backwards. It might just be how I'm looking at it. Yeah. And that's, second A. And then I'm going to write the price right there. So, A is like deposit, I guess. But yeah, I'm saving up for a dirt bike. And any recommendations on which one I should get? And dirt bike stuff, so dirt bike. So I might add more than 1,000. And dirt bike stuff. It's gonna happen. $70. Which isn't currently in there, but it will be. Yeah, so I'll get a better light, and that's not blue. I don't look like an alien. Look at that. My bad. I'll get a better light, and I'll see ya.